If you are wondering if you have to purchase a power adapter for Xiaomi 17T, then the answer depends on a couple of things. For example, if you expect a power adapter to be included inside the box of Xiaomi 17T, then even here it depends, and it depends on where you live. Because if you live in Europe, then you will not be able to find a power adapter inside the box. You will not be able to find it inside this paper box, you will not be able to find it inside this main box, and at the back of the box you will find this graphic information that clearly states that the power adapter is not included. But if you live in, let's say, Southeast Asia, in one of the Southeast Asian countries, like for example in India, then in this case power adapter is most likely included, because in those countries still power adapters are most likely included with smartphones. So when you purchase a smartphone, usually the power adapter is also there. Not every time, of course, but in many cases it still is. Whereas in Europe, for example, power adapters are just no longer included at all. So of course, this is the main difference. On the other hand, if you already have a power adapter that has 67 watts or more, then in that case you don't have to purchase the power adapter as well, because most likely you can use it to charge Xiaomi 17T. The phone has 68 watts wide charging, or 50 watts with PPS. In this case, if you have a power adapter that has exactly 67 watts or more, then there is no need to change it. But if you have a power adapter that has less than that, or if you don't have a power adapter at all, of course, and it is not included inside the box in your case, then, well, yes, you will have to purchase it. So as you can see, it depends on a couple of things, and whether you need to purchase it or not, it depends on where you live, and if you already have a power adapter, and how strong your power adapter is if you already have one. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.